drive the car one-handed. I want to ride the motorcycle today, but rain. Rain again. Always rain. Number one thing I hate about motorcycling, the number one thing I hate about motorcycling is the rain. More than anything. It's a dry cleaning bill, it's muddy, you're way more unsafe, there's no fun in it. So to use the car all of the time in the summer because it's raining all the time sucks. I'm being spoiled. Shouldn't say that. Nevertheless, caging it, it's rained way too much. Look at that, see that? That's typical of a daily thing around here. If it isn't already raining, it's gonna rain, it's threatening to rain, and it will. This is impossible to do when shifting gears and stuff. This has gotta be a terrible video. The window's open, making noise. All this traffic in my way. School zone, can't do a burnout. There goes the phone.